Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich effortlessly while others work tirelessly and barely get ahead? The truth is, it's not about luck, connections, or even working harder. There's one rule that every self-made wealthy person follows, and until you understand it, wealth will continue to elude you. Most people spend their lives chasing money without understanding how it really works. They save, cut expenses, and hope for a miracle paycheck, but saving alone won't make you rich. Money is a tool, not a goal, and if you don't know how to deploy it strategically, it will control you instead of serving you. The average person spends decades earning, saving, and losing money to inflation without ever truly building wealth. Think about it. You can save $500 a month for 10 years. But if you never invest, your money won't grow faster than inflation. Most people believe financial freedom is about scrimping and saving. But here's a harsh truth. You can save every penny. But without growth, without a plan, you're still at the mercy of the system. So what is this one rule? The rule is simple but powerful. Your money must work for you, not the other way around. The wealthy understand this intuitively. Every dollar you earn should be a soldier deployed to create more money through investments, side hustles, businesses, or skills that generate income. It's not about being rich today. It's about creating a machine that builds wealth while you sleep. Start by investing early and consistently. Even $50 a month in an index fund compounds exponentially over time. Compound interest is not just a financial term, it's a wealth-building superpower, a force that can turn small, consistent actions into life-changing outcomes. But don't stop there. Build multiple income streams so you're not reliant solely on a paycheck. Freelancing, content creation, small businesses, digital products, even investing in real estate can all contribute to your freedom. Think in decades, not weeks. The rich don't worry about paying rent next month. They strategize for 5, 10, or 20 years ahead. This rule flips the script, turning money from something you chase into something that chases you, quietly building wealth while you sleep. Most people fail because they ignore this rule. They rely only on saving, fear, risk, and misgrowth opportunities, live paycheck to paycheck, and think wealth is a destination instead of a process. They get trapped in habits like mindless spending, delaying investments, and believing that riches are only for lucky people or those with a head start. And here's the cruel part. Fear, uncertainty, and comfort keep them from taking action. They scroll through social media, see peers starting businesses or investing in stocks, feel a twinge of envy, and then go back to their routines without making any changes. This is why most people never get rich. They know what to do but never execute consistently. Here's how you can apply this rule starting today. Audit your money by tracking every dollar for 30 days and see exactly where it goes. Awareness is the first weapon you need. Build a safety net of 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your shield against emergencies, setbacks, or unexpected life events. Invest consistently even if it's small. Automation ensures that you never skip a step and that your money grows silently in the background. Create multiple income streams, freelance, start a side business, learn marketable digital skills, or invest in assets that generate cash flow. And perhaps most importantly, develop a wealth mindset by asking, how can I make this money work for me instead of I can't afford this? Change your perspective, and your results will change. When you follow this rule, your money grows while you sleep. Your financial freedom increases, and your options in life expand. You'll no longer be chained to a single paycheck, worried about bills, or living in financial anxiety. But here's the twist most people miss. It's not just about money, it's about how you think about money. Mindset amplifies action. Without the right mindset, even the best strategies fail. The wealthy don't work for money. They let money work for them. They understand that true financial freedom comes from leveraging knowledge, time, and systems to multiply income and opportunities. Now, you have the blueprint to do the same. Start today by taking small but consistent actions. Track your spending, invest, build skills, and challenge your financial habits. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start letting money work for you, hit that subscribe button. This is the beginning of your financial revolution. Your 30-year-old self is watching. Make them proud. Every decision you make today compounds into the life you will live tomorrow. Take action, stay consistent, and watch how wealth quietly builds over time, transforming your life from surviving paycheck to thriving with options, freedom, and true financial independence.